Get ready for an exciting journey into the world of space exploration and rocket science. We're about to dive into a thrilling report that will leave you on the edge of your seat. The Race to the Stars, unveiling the latest rocket launches and controversies. This week, we witness a constellation of rocket launches and developments that showcase the incredible advancements in space technology. From secretive Chinese missions to near-perfect flights of SpaceX's Starship, let's explore the latest news in the world of rocketry. Starlink, Kuiper, and beyond, mega constellations take flight. SpaceX's Starship program has been making significant strides this year. While the Super Heavy booster has proven its prowess with successful reuses, the Starship spacecraft itself has faced its fair share of challenges. However, the last two missions have been a turning point, with pinpoint splashdowns in the Indian Ocean. The most recent mission was a triumph, as Starship returned with minimal damage, indicating that SpaceX's heat shield improvements are paying off. But here's where it gets controversial. SpaceX's recent success raises questions about the future of space exploration. With each successful launch, the company inches closer to achieving its ambitious goals. But what does this mean for other space agencies and private companies? Are we witnessing the rise of a space superpower? SpaceX Vet flies with Blue Origin, a tale of rivalry and collaboration. Hans Koenigsmann, a SpaceX veteran and a key figure in the company's history, is set to fly with Blue Origin on their New Shepard vehicle. Koenigsmann, known for his expertise and leadership, has played a crucial role in investigating Falcon rocket failures and mentoring young engineers. His decision to fly with Blue Origin is a significant development. Koenigsmann will be joined by Michaela Mitchie Benthouse, a remarkable individual who refused to let a spinal cord injury deter her from her dreams. Together, they will make history as the first wheelchair user to fly in space, but safety concerns remain. Koenigsmann's confidence in Blue Origin's engineers is a testament to the company's capabilities. But does this mean SpaceX is losing its edge? Europe's drone ship, a step towards reusable rocket technology. The European Space Agency, ESA, has taken a giant leap forward by awarding a contract to Ingegneria dei Sistemi, IDS, for the design of a reusable rocket stage recovery vessel. This project is part of a broader initiative to develop a reusable rocket upper stage, and it could revolutionize the way rockets are launched and recovered. The recovery vessel, designed by IDS, bears a striking resemblance to SpaceX's fairing recovery ships. With giant nets to catch falling hardware, it's a familiar sight. But what sets this project apart is its potential to transform the European space industry. Could this be the beginning of a new era for European space exploration? JAXA's global reach, launching satellites with Rocket Lab. The Japanese space agency, JAXA, has turned to Rocket Lab for the launch of its technology demonstration satellites. After delays with Japan's Epsilon S rocket, JAXA sought an alternative launch provider. Rocket Lab's Electron rockets will now carry JAXA satellites into orbit, ensuring that these important missions are not delayed further. An update on German launch startup, HyImpulse's SL-1 rocket. German rocket builder HyImpulse has secured significant funding to continue developing its SL-1 rocket. With hybrid propulsion and the ability to deliver over 1,300 pounds to low Earth orbit, the SL-1 is a game changer. HyImpulse's progress is a testament to the growing competitiveness of European launch startups. iRocket's rapid build, a pathfinder for reusable rockets, Innovative Rocket Technologies Inc., iRocket has successfully tested its IRX-100 rocket, a version of the Hydra 70 system. iRocket's CEO, Asad Malik, boasts that the company designed and launched the rocket in just 30 days. This rapid turnaround time is a key focus for iRocket as they aim to develop a reusable orbital-class rocket named Shockwave. SpaceX's Kuiper launch, a week of delays but success in the end. After a week of launch delays, SpaceX finally launched a Falcon 9 rocket carrying Amazon's Project Kuiper broadband satellites. This was the third and final Kuiper launch booked on SpaceX's Falcon 9, and it brings Amazon closer to its goal of having 3,232 satellites in orbit. China's mysterious satellite launch, a surprise move. China conducted an orbital launch with no advance warning, sending the Xi'an-31 remote sensing test satellite into orbit. This surprise launch is unusual, as China typically issues warnings to airplanes and ships to avoid the downrange zones. The Xi'an-31 is believed to have an optical surveillance mission, and its orbit suggests a focus on Earth observation. Starship's near-perfect flight, a step towards perfection. SpaceX's Starship program achieved a near-perfect test flight, carrying the spacecraft halfway around the world. This was the 11th full-scale test flight, and it showcased the improvements made since the series of failures earlier this year. Starship's return through the atmosphere with minimal damage is a significant milestone. Orion's future. Exploring alternative launch options. The Orion spacecraft and Space Launch System, SLS, have been inseparable for decades. But now, Lockheed Martin is considering launching Orion on different rockets. With increasing reusability and a focus on cost, Orion could become a commercial space application. This shift could impact NASA's plans and the future of human spaceflight. Vandenberg's transformation. SpaceX's plans for increased launch capacity. The Department of the Air Force has approved SpaceX's plans to launch up to 100 missions per year from Vandenberg Space Force Base. This transformation is a significant milestone for the spaceport, which has seen a dramatic increase in launch activity. SpaceX's redevelopment of Space Launch Complex 6 will support Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy missions, with new landing pads for Falcon boosters. Next 3 launches. October 18th, Falcon 9, Starlink 11-19, Vandenberg Space Force Base, California, 2346 UTC. October 19th, Kinetica 1, Unknown Payload, Jiuquan Satellite Launch Center, China, 330 UTC. October 19th, Falcon 9, Starlink 10-17, Cape Canaveral Space Force Station, Florida, 1452 UTC. As we conclude this exciting rocket report, we leave you with a thought-provoking question. In this rapidly evolving space industry, where do you think the future of space exploration lies? Share your thoughts in the comments below.